Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Press that bell if you like to see more videos. And let's get into this video. Alright you guys, so this is a wig review on this 360 wig from Divatress. This is their human hair premium mix 360 lace wig. This comes in the color F Blue 1D, which is blue black as we call it. But you guys, I want you to go in and watch me finesse this, and I named it for the beginners only because this was something quick and easy that you didn't have to do too much with this hair. So let me let you guys watch it, and then we're going to talk about the hair. Alright, you guys, so I'm finished this hair. It didn't take me too long to do it, so I'm sure you guys are gonna catch on really quick. My thoughts on this hair, I'm gonna start off with pros and cons like I used to do. The cons to this hair is that the length is so long. It's a 32-inch and it's not all the way human. It's that premium mix, so therefore it's blend hair, so you still have synthetic fibers in it. For those who don't know what blend hair is, it just tangles way too much. The tangling at the bottom is just killing me. Like, I'll show you what the bottom looks like. Like, can you see it kind of looks a little raspy, but at the top it's like silk, but at the bottom it's like, you know, on the edge. So that's one of the things that I don't like about it. The second is shedding, which is normal with synthetic hair, and it's not like little to none shedding, because all hair sheds. This is like shedding, so you do have to kind of like watch for that. And another thing is the lace cap. The cap fit my head a little snug. For those who are wondering, I have a medium average size head, and this is kind of like a small medium. That's how I feel like it fits on there. So that is for you guys who are wondering the size of the cap. It's nothing to finesse it. Like, I finessed the part real quick. I tried to go in and pluck it. It didn't work, so I just did a little bit, you know. I made sure my baby hairs were on point, so that kind of helped. That kind of plays a long role. Will I wear this out somewhere? Probably, maybe not. Like, for Halloween, this is more Halloween. Like, I thought I would like the blue black, but I'm really not into it. Like, I feel like the blue is cute on me. If you think the blue is cute, let me know below. So this is what I'm looking like, and you can really see the blue when I turn to the side. The pros to this hair is that it comes with no smell. It has no type of smell, no wig smell, no human hair smell, no nothing. Another thing is that the packaging didn't take too long. Shipping came within like 3 to 5 days, but it actually came in 4 days exact. So that's not bad when you're ordering from a company, because sometimes it takes over a week if you order like from AliExpress or something like that. Another pro is that you get a 360 wig for the price that you're paying for. I'll leave an insert somewhere on the screen of how much it costs, somewhere on the screen, so you guys can check that out. I think that the price isn't so bad for this hair. I would pay it with my own money, but that's just me. So that is my thoughts on this hair. You guys don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video.